Count and add.
This is number strip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Add 5 and 4. Let's do addition on the number line. Plus 4 means 4 more numbers on the number strip. Starting from 5, move 4 numbers ahead. 6, 7, 8, 9. Thus, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Add 9 and 6. Let's do addition on the number line. Plus 6 means move 6 more numbers on the number line. Starting from 9, move 6 numbers ahead. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Thus, 9 plus 6 is equal to 15.